And welcome back for another video. As you can see, the bands are dead today, so I might as well a job I've been putting off actually, but a little job that I need to do in the shop. Let's have a quick look on 20. Yeah, we had a Geomagnetic Storm G2 the other day, and yeah, there's remnants of it. So let's go back to 40. I don't know why I can't hear nothing, but anyway. Yeah, so the little job I'm going to do is fit one of these LDG Autotuners. I've got the 100 Pro and a 200 Pro, and I'm going to be fitting it to the 7100. It doesn't have a tuner in the 7100, so you need an external tuner. And the reason why I'm doing it is I've been running this off a CG3000 automatic tuner outside for the long wire, but yeah, I want to try and get this on the X-beam 10 meter vertical and the 40 meter. They are resonant antennas, but yeah, just to make sure, I want to fit one of these. And the LDG AT-200 I think is going to be the main fellow. It's got 200 memories on this. You can go up to 250 watts, but that's only an 100 watt machine anyway. So yeah, I want to get this done. I was going to do it the other week for the expedition, the Bouvet expedition, and I never did it. I kept calling on SSB, but yeah, more fool me, I'd have probably got them on FT8. So I'm going to be running this particular machine off FT8. So anyway, I'm just waffling. So we'll get on with the project, and we'll see how it comes out. Which it shouldn't be hard. Next to my cup of tea here is a nice patch lead, so and Ken Dawes tittling brush. So is that what he used to call them? But anyway, showing me age now. Seeing them out. G's RDTX. And back to the job in hand. Just got an air strap, and yeah, all you do is you connect TX on the antenna port and the ground. Quite a fiddly job, and I've dropped the ground nut down here in one of these boxes, so I'm gonna have to get round the back of that. So yeah, 2-minute job, but turning out to be bloody awkward again. Right, let's go and find this nut. What a pain. Right. Yeah, I lost the bloody wing nut for the ground. So yeah, I've got the ground strap on. TX, so that goes to the radio, and obviously antenna 1 is the antenna which goes to the switch, which I'll show you in a moment when I get inside. And yeah, I put an RF choke. This is the last radio that I'm putting a choke on. Well, it's the last radio I've got for HF. So I fitted that to that. So all we've got to do now is connect the 12 volts to the power supply. Right, let's get back round. Right, we're back. We've got it working. You know these little jobs that turn out to be a pain in the arse? Yeah, as I said, I lost the wing nut for the auto tuner. So that's gone into the abyss, so I had to nick one off the LDG Pro 100. So yeah, I got it all working, but as you can see, I've got switches everywhere here. So that's for the calling. I've now turned that on the HF band on this switch here, which goes up here. And I took the 2 meters out, and I thought, how come this is not receiving? Luckily I didn't transmit. So yeah, the HF is here. So yeah, I've got it working. So oh, what a pain. So let's just find a clear frequency here. Yeah, the bands are terrible today. That looks clear, so let's enable, and Let's see what the bond is. I'll turn some power up in a minute. I've got it on low power just to tune it. But yeah, you know, these simple jobs. This is why they call us amateur radio operators. Yeah, it's all the switches that I got confused.com. So let's turn this power up a bit. 25 watts, 50 watts. Obviously the SWI is perfect, 75 watts. 50 is enough for FT8. I'll turn that down again in a minute. Where am I pointing? I'm pointing stateside on the X-beam. But yeah, wasn't good. Yeah, no SWR whatsoever. So let's turn this down to 50 watts. That'll do. 50 watts. It's okay for FT8. Okay, I'll send 7.3. Another quick video that was very, very long and very difficult. Only because my thinking aids run out. I need some new batteries. 7.3 for now. GZO DTS. I'm only here for the party.